So in addition to having cyber resilience, our organizations make sure that we monitor applications and their performance on devices. We work with a number of other software providers to make sure that their applications are resilient. At the same time, we make sure that access to data and to networks is also secure from all devices. Since COVID, the landscape has changed for the way that we work as organizations and people in organizations. Almost 48% of the workforce from our latest cyber resilience report say they will be working in a hybrid mode. So people need to access information from everywhere, from different networks, different devices, at different times. We need to make sure that that access to those applications and that data is super secure. We need to make sure that those devices are up to date with the latest versions of software. Another example of this is that 80% of the world still runs on Windows 10. Windows 10 isn't the updated or the latest version. That makes those devices vulnerable, and that's really important that we help organizations make sure that their security stance is perfect, that they are resilient against attacks, but also the ability to repair those applications when they do get attacked. I think in the future, the ability for organizations to recover more quickly from attacks to their devices and to their infrastructure is going to be really, really important. And how they integrate those applications, make those applications persistent, bounce back quicker from a revenue perspective and operational perspective remains really, really high. And these things are going to be super important going forward. I think that organizations always need to be careful about where they're accessing data, which countries they're accessing data, which devices they're accessing data from. Those remain the key things in the future. If you get all of those things right, you make sure your devices are resilient, that you access the data in the right way from the right devices at the right time, then your organizations will be stronger and will recover more quickly.